So this is the game.
Is it right? Is it right? Is it right?
Hey, Vsauce! So you want to learn how to program the old classic Brick Breaker game? Well, this guy already made one, so you can just watch his video. That is, if you have 57 minutes. Well, what am I gonna do? I can't watch for 57 minutes. Well, do I have the solution for you? Introducing my YouTube channel, where we make stuff in just less than 10 minutes. Alright, let's begin.
Listen properly.
First, you want to choose your IDE or text editor. I'm gonna go with Eclipse because it's the best one out of the series. Open up the Eclipse IDE, then click File, New, Java Project. Now name this project something suitable. I'm going to name mine My Brick Breaker Game. Click Finish, then within SRC, create a new package. Name it Run and hit Finish. Within Run, create a new class and name it App. You want to create a main method, so tick that box and bash the Finish button. The main method is where we will run the code, aka where it starts. Next, you want to click SRC, New, and Package to create our UI package, aka user interface, the things the user will be seeing. Within this package, you want to create a game panel class and make JPanel its superclass. Also within UI, you want to create a game frame class and make JFrame its superclass. Now smash that finish button. If you're wondering what's the difference between a JPanel and a JFrame, here's my explanation in this Snake AI video. All the graphics are built from panels that we add onto the screen. This, for example, is a menu panel with buttons, and this is a game panel. These are all built on top of the frame, which is this entire box here. Now let's make the frame. Set the title, how it should close, visibility, and all that other jargon. Then, go into App and create a new game frame. Run this main method, and we should get the frame of our game, cause that ain't lame. Oh, you're depressed? Same. What am I doing, man? What the are you doing? Now let's make a game panel. Import all these. Don't even question it. Mandan needs to import them things in it, fam. Okay, I'm sorry. Next, check if your game panel extends JPanel and also implements both key listener and action listener. Now, key listener checks when you click the keys and responds however you want it to respond.
Stinky.
The action listener, however, is a lot more integral to our code, and I'll show you why now. These here are just game logic variables. These here are just location variables. But these ones, they allow our game to function. This timer, created by typing timer equals new timer with a capital M, timer with an A. It's created by typing new timer delay this. This is important because timer calls action performing methods every delay milliseconds, in which within this method we can update the location and all the game logic as time goes on. Now how does this know which class to do this on? The this keyword tells it to do it on this exact same class. But getting back to why I made it implement action listener, it only calls classes that implement action listener. Break time.
You saved me. Why? Monkey.
Now we want to create a class called map generator, which just sets the bricks, their locations, and draws them. Now I tried doing this with game panel, but I realized I wasted 2 hours because every time the ball hits a brick, that brick is turned off and the map is redrawn by calling draw. And draw needs a graphics 2D, which is impossible to create outside of a draw method. For some stupid bloody reason, man, I don't know. Grrr, I'm so angry. Next we have all the draw and paint logic, which I won't get into because honestly, if you have even the slightest idea of what I'm talking about, this stuff would be a walk in the park. Hey! Hey you!
Who, me?
Yeah you! Do you hate bricks? Ah!
Yeah, I do.
You just want to break them?
Yeah.
Well, I have the game just for you.
Woo!
Introducing the all-new Brick Breaker game. Why didn't you try it out?
I'd love to.
Bang. Easy win, bro. What? What? Bruh? So clearly the game was a success. Let's get some feedback.
Hey you, hey. You wanna try out my new game?
Not really.
You wanna try out my new game? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Okay.
Come.
What is it?
So this is the game.
Is it wrecked?
It's not wrecked, it just hasn't started yet.
Oh, okay. Did you make this yourself?
Yeah.
Did you just wink at the camera?
No.
Yeah. Hey, I remember this game.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Press enter.
Hey, did you just make it easier for me because I did bad?
So when you lose, it gets easier.
Oh wow, that's not insulting at all.
Yusuf, what do you think about the game?
Funny boys.
Did it just get faster?
It gets faster when it goes like sideways. I don't know why.
Boink.
Oh, you don't know why?
No.
Boink, boink.
Not intended.
boink.
Oh shit, I'm gonna lose.
No, you're not. You're good, you're good. In it, Yusuf.
Boink, boink, boink.
I give up.